So this is musubi. It's one of my favorite dishes when I travel to Hawaii. And like you just mentioned, to make a musubi, usually they use Spam. But Spam is a pork product, and so is hot dogs.
That's right.
Yes. So we're going to
love that.
Use the tailgate inspiration and make a hot dog musubi. So what we're doing is we have some sushi rice, and we're packing it in this mold. Here's one that's been sort of just cut in half. So this is our rice cake. And can you grab me, Rachel, off of the flat top, a split dog?
Sure.
One split dog. I'm going to start dressing this with a little bit of Japanese mayonnaise. And then instead of using Spam, I'm going to use just a hot dog that's been split. I'm going to put that
on both sides.
On top of there.
Yum.
One of my favorite condiments, this is eel sauce.
Yum.
Have no alarm. There's no eel in here,
like when
right?
you eat the
Yeah.
Like when you have barbecue eel.
Exactly. So like when you have barbecue eel at the sushi restaurant, basically it's like soy sauce with sugar and spices. And then a little bit of toasted nori. So this is what you have when you eat sushi. And what I do is I wrap the nori around the musubi.
It's like a Japanese pig in a blanket.
Yes!